So hello, I'm Eric Oman from Cinderella Eco Group. I'm here at Punk Technology today to train and display our different toilet models. The one you see here is the Comfort, runs on normal electricity. And the thing with these toilets are they don't use any water, they don't need any sewage system, they don't use any chemicals, they're odorless. The only thing they produce is a bit of ash, and it looks like this. So it's a self-contained system, very flexible. You can position these toilets basically everywhere you want to have them and use them in many different situations. In cabins, you can have them in caravans and motorhomes, on boats, in barracks, etc. etc. So very flexible and very comfortable. Basically, you bring the toilet comfort you have at home out anywhere you want. So thanks for being here.